You know, it's nothing like picking up the pieces of your life to create some kind of maybe sense of urgency to get a vision board or to at least, put some perspective in your life. I mean, I know sometimes for us it's hard, especially when we've been knocked down so many times, to have to start all over and pick up the pieces, but you just need to get started. Sometimes just taking one piece at a time can really make all the difference. I know we know all the facts about, the hardest thing for a lot of people is just to get started. But I will tell you, the most encouraging thing that I did when I needed to pick up the pieces in my life was to create a vision board. And I'm talking to everybody about this because I think it's important. There's so many people who haven't been able to become who they desire to become, or really be the person. Okay, I don't even know where I left off. I was trying to pause it because my baby son came in here complaining about my oldest son, and it always just kind of have to, anyway, kind of throws you off when you have to take care of your kids. But like I said, or I think I was saying, I think for me, well, we all know like getting started is the hardest thing to do, but if you can just get started, vision board is very easy to do. I talk about vision boards a lot. I do vision board workshops a lot because it means so much to me. I'm so passionate about it because the Lord instructs us to get a vision. Like it's not just another fad. And I know, in our world, we have so many different people that do it, and so many people have positive things and negative things. But the Bible tells us that without a vision, the people perish. And so if you're floundering through life, or just trying to make it to the next day, God doesn't just want us to make it to the next day. He wants us to go into the next day bold, right? He wants us to know that we have victory in every area of our life. And we do that with a vision, with the plan, the purpose. And so if you, like I started, are picking up the pieces of your life, I want to encourage you to do 3 things. Number 1, surrender. You got to surrender. Like you got to surrender to the fact that you don't know everything. You're not where you want to be, and you need some help. You need some guidance. Number 2, think about what it is you really want to do in your life. Not the thing that pays the bills, not the thing that your mom or your dad or your kids, or not the thing that you most want to do in your life. And then number 3, go and get an old magazine and start flipping through those pages and start cutting things out that speak to you. Not things that if I had the money to do it, or, if I was 10 years younger, or if I had that kind of body, like, not that, things that speak to you, because there are things that speak to us. And those are the things that God placed in us, or have planned or purposed, or have put the desire in our hearts to manifest in our life, to be a part of our life. And if that's not happening for you right now, then my encouragement to you today is to pick up the pieces, surrender, think about what it is you really want, and go and find a picture of it. Go get a picture of it. And the best place to look at pictures, y'all, is those old magazines that people that always throw away. Y'all know y'all got somebody in your family or in your block or whatever that just gets magazines and magazines, and they just throw them in the trash. Don't let them throw it away, because that could be your vision. That could be your dream. That could be the images that you need to get yourself going. We've got to, we know that faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. But if you could see it, like even if you can't feel it, or if you get an actual visual, man, it just inspires you to keep moving. Like it inspires you to get started. It inspires you to get the pieces off the ground, pick the pieces up, pick yourself up, pick everything up, and go again. And so, I'm Dr. Risha Murray, Dr. Riri, Sister Risha. You know, for me personally, what I like, I'm just Risha. You know, I have a whole lot of things, but in my honest and most truest form, none of those things matter. I'm just a person who wants to see other people win. And I know that it starts with a vision. I know it takes a vision. If you look at any leader, any person that you admire that's doing something great, trust me, they have a vision. They have a vision board, they have a vision plan, they have some type of map strategizing of what it is that they're going to do. It's beyond just goals. Like you see it and you take those images and you put them in goals and you put them in affirmations. It's like a whole process that God lays out for us that we can do. And it doesn't cost us anything. Like, it's low cost, like it's affordable, right? But I understand that sometimes we need people to help us along the way. So if you need somebody to help you along the way, send me a message. Look me up or whatever. I am a visionary specialist. I love helping people. That's why I do vision board workshops. That's why I talk about vision a lot, in addition to Mary Kay and real estate and education and all those different things and counseling. But helping people with their vision is my passion. And I want to see more people do what they love what they do. I want to see more people win, right? So that's my encouraging word for today. Pick yourself up. Again, it's 3 things. Surrender. No, you need some help. Okay, you gotta surrender. You gotta surrender. No, you need some help. Number 2, really think about what it is you really, what you really want to do. Like what you feel like you were created to do. And number 3, go get a magazine. Just start there. Go get an old magazine and start looking at. Just flip through it and think about words or images. Like, be mindful about what you're looking at. And if that's not the magazine for you, go get another one, because it definitely there you will see what it is that God wants you to see. All right. So I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. If you like what you heard, share it with somebody, because they probably need help too. We all need help. Shoot, we all got to pick up the pieces sometimes. But you don't have to let it be your whole entire life. You can start, right? You can start today. All right. Bye.